What are you eating?
Rather large turkey sandwich
I think they must have killed a whole turkey.
with unexpected potato salad, which is lovely, and far too many pickles, and then we'll have the treat for later from
David's. Do you want to open the treat box just to see them?
we're having a juice breakfast. Well, it feels like a whole cake. There's a lot going on here. Yep. It's like, oh my god, how much did you get? Like, we can't eat it.
2 buns each.
But
An
look at
apple
the size
strudel
of them.
each. And a chocolate
We'll never
brownie
eat
each.
them. There's enough food here to feed 6 people. Isn't there? And a bird prop table.
And there's a bird right in front of us.